Hello everyone, if you want to learn how to sign up your account in Goldfish Casino, this video is for you. First, make sure that you have downloaded Goldfish Casino on your phone. After that, click on the search bar and open Goldfish Casino. Now it may take some time to open this app. After you open this app, you will see this homepage, and here on the top right corner you can see this settings icon. Click on settings. Now click on this connect option to create a new account. Here you have two different options that you can choose from to create a new account. You can either continue with your Apple ID account or you can sign up with your Facebook account. Here I am opening with my Apple account, so I'm clicking on this continue with Apple. Now after the verification, you will be able to sign up your account on Goldfish Casino. Here you can see that I have successfully created a new account on this app. So following the simple and easy step, you can also now easily create a new account on Goldfish Casino. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.